Your first real challenge is getting out that alternator. If you can't handle that, you're not going to be able to do the spark plugs. I'm sorry. So that's your first test, man. Life is a test, and you're going to have to suck it up and get that damn alternator out of there. Don't be a wuss. If you can't do that, though, forget the plugs, man. Give it up. You'll never get it done if you can't take out the alternator. Good luck. You can do it. This is a 1997 Dodge Caravan. I'm changing the spark plugs, and the rear bank is a total pain in the ass. Here is my quick tips and tricks to keep you from wanting to smash your head in with a hammer. Okay, you can see in other videos, other people's videos, how to do all these things, but I'm going to give you the quick tips and tricks on how to avoid getting really pissed off. All right, first off, do a diagram of where the wires go instead of trying to do it one at a time, which is not going to be good on the rear bank. Just make a diagram in case you screw up. It's pretty simple. Now, don't even think about doing it without pulling off the whole windshield wiper assembly. It comes off like in less than 10 minutes. There it is. Simple, easy peasy. Just do it. All right. On this side, passenger side, oops, take the alternator off. Just do it. All right. Just get the alternator out of there. I took off the coils just because it was so easy to do, and it just gets some more things out of my way. So there's that. Moving over to the other side. Carefully remove the vacuum line without breaking it for the, I think that one's for the cruise control. And then 2mm bolts, two 10mm bolts on the throttle cable assembly, and then I pull it out of the way. I got a rag in there so I don't hurt anything. Now, obviously I got the battery and everything out of my way, and the air box. The radiator's out of mine because I'm replacing the radiator, but you do not have to pull the radiator out. Okay, getting to that plug on the driver's side is a total pain in the ass. I have put a piece of orange tape back there so you can see. You see that bracket? It has a 15mm bolt, and it is in the way of your, let's see what number it is, your number 5, which is the on the rear bank driver's side. Totally in your way. There's a bolt up on the top that's really hard to get to. I didn't mess with that. This one has a 15mm. I pulled it out. Now watch this. I'm gonna reach in there with my hand and push it back out. There. All I did was bend it. Don't worry about the top bolt. Bend the damn thing out of the way, and then you can get to your plug. I've already got it out. Plug comes right out, easy. And then just bend that thing back and bolt it in. Even if you got rid of that metal rod, it doesn't do a damn thing anyway. The manifold's not going to come off. It's got like 20 other bolts holding it on. And that's it. You get the first two from this side and bend that bracket out of the way and get that one from the right hand side, which would be the driver's side. It ain't that hard to do. Don't freak out. Relax. It'll be okay. You're welcome.